Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will bid on a project on Freelancer. So guys, first of all you have to go on browse. Just look at the left corner on the screen. Here you will see browse. Just keep your cursor over here and then you have to go with projects. Just simply you have to click on it and here you have to select your project. If we go with this logo design project, because we are working here as a graphic designer, then we can go with this. Just read carefully all the details of this project. If you are interested in this project, then you can bid on it. Here you have to define your hourly rate and your weekly limit, and then you have to write description over here. Once you're done with your description, and then you have to scroll down. You can get these optional upgrades, but remember that these are payable upgrades. If you want to buy these upgrades, then you can buy and you can skip it as well. So I've done with all these details, and now I'm going to place a bid on this project. So guys, as you can see, I've successfully placed a bid on this project, and these are the details of my project, and I've keep this price hourly on this project. So guys, this is how to bid on project on Freelancer. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.